So, hello guys, I am Markel 4 and I'm here to report IP spoofing and network protection. So, what is IP spoofing? A cyber attack technique where an attacker disguises their identity by falsifying the source IP address and network packets. So, how it works? Attacker creates IP packets with a false source IP addresses. Packets appear to come from a trusted source. Ang purpose ni to bypass security controls, hide the attacker's identity, and gain unauthorized access to the system. So, packets. So, mo ni siya ang itsura sa in the real world nga scenario. Mo yung basic example which is ang envelope. Because so in every device is connected to a network which is an IP addresses. Because usually the information sent across to the internet, it is sent in a packet with the source and destination with the IP addresses, destination IP addresses. So, kung send ka kuno og data sa internet, it is sent in an envelope form. So, let me explain further by showing example in a Cisco packet tracer. So, mao ni. So, since kabalo na jud mo ni kung ginito networking. So, once na mo send ka og data to here PC1, it sends in an envelope, so which is the packet mao ni. So, ana so sends siya. So, in every packet, na siya packet header which is the title, the source IP addresses, and the destination. So, during transmission, the attackers take advantage of this process. Ilang ilisdan ang packet headers which is the title with its fake source IP addresses to trick the network nga legitimate siya, gikan siya sa trusted nga source kunuhay, but fake source IP addresses siya. But the real is ang original nila nga IP addresses which is assigned to these packets, it's from the attacker, gihidden nila, dili ni siya visible sa victim. So that's why sa mga low-end nga security, mga kuan yun siya, makasud yun siya dali kay mostly ang i-check nila packet headers man without the content, without the original source IP addresses. So once na makasud sila, so maka-data theft sila, data manipulation, backdoor, and many more pa jud na siya. So let's discuss more the packets. So I have here example. So packet header indicates title which contain a fake source IP addresses. So kanay title ni siya. Title. So of course, kung mag-send kag letter, diba, in the real life, nam yun na siya title as kinsay sender sa receiver. So, sa network, nga ni rapod ni. Ang attacker, pwede niya i-change ang packet header. Ang source IP addresses ilang i-fake para mura kunog from the trusted source kunuhay para ang matrick nila ang network nga ma-accept nila. But the original IP addresses which have hidden by the attackers without being visible by the victim. So once na makasud na siya sa network, kay lagi kuno kay gikan sa trusted source but fake IP addresses di siya. So it will be a big problem to the company nga makuan ni siya, makasud. So mao niya packet header pwede na mausab, but ang naka-assign nga IP address sa original na nga envelope which is dili na siya mausab. Intact yun na siya kung siya naka-assign sa computer sa kaniya ang packet header title. So let's start nga mag-discuss na sa network protection, how to deal with this or how to avoid. So common target of IP spoofing. So let's start here first. Financial institution, e-commerce websites, government agencies, large corporations, and educational institutions. So mostly ang mga target nila mga confidential nga mga record. Pwede nila makuha, pwede po nila magamit, then financial losses po nila kay mga big companies man ilang target. So let's move. Protecting network. A protecting network refers to the process of implementing measures and strategies to safeguard computer networks from unauthorized access, attacks, breaches, and other security threats. The goal is to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data transmitted or stored within the network. So I have 5 protection methods. So firewalls, intrusion detection system, intrusion prevention system, and virtual private networks, regular software updates and patches. So firewalls, masabta na yun nila kay every computer na yun niya ni, and then mas set trapod na nimo ma-on or off. So gamit pa ni firewalls. Friend nimo si firewall, maggamit ka computer. So let's discuss these two, intrusion, prevention, or detection. So IDS, an intrusion detection system, is a tool used to spot unauthorized activity and attacks a computer network. It monitors data or traffic to find anything unusual or suspicious. So, ma-monitor nila before na ug naay makasud nga unsuspicious or unusual nga gipambuhat sa ilang network before traffic or data or traffic. Kung mahibaw-an niya, mo alert pud siya sa admin who can then take action. So sa IPS, bali po diha. Mas nindot diha. Because it's a security tool that not only detects suspicious activities on a network, but also takes an action to block or stop them automatically. So once na siya makita na suspicious na gipambuhat, so matik yun na siya block. Even though na kuan ang admin na notify ani, but na block na siya, automatically stop them. So mao jud ni pinakanindot nga network practices nga protection. So IPS. So countering IP spoofing. So So virtual private network, VPN. So maka protect po sila gamit ani kay mag-create sila og ilahang private network nga sila ra jud without ma-publish siya publicity like mga niyana. And regular software update patches masabtan na siya. Regular software updates sa computer like yana para di makanog viruses, dili siya ma-prone. So countering IP spoofing. So ingress filtering and egress filtering. So it's a network security technique used to control incoming traffic to a network. It helps prevent malicious or unwanted traffic from entering network by checking source of incoming packets. So nindot kini siya ang ingress filtering. So during transmission of the data, dili lang guys siya mag-check sa packet headers kundi ang source jud niya. Kundi ang original nga IP addresses assigned by the computer. So once na kuan sila nga dili di na legitimate nga ang mga gipang-assign na nila, di niya siya kasod. Pero once gani makasod lang pod ay kay bansay ang hacker, like nalipat yun ang victim pod or a network, napoy egress filtering. Is a network security practice that controls the outbound traffic leaving a network. It ensures that only authorized legitimate traffic can exit the network. So once di makasud po sila sa network, dili na po sila kagawas. Kay since di mas legitimate, dili po sila unauthorized. Ay dili sila authorized ana nga network. So makit-an po sila ana kay nagduwa sila malicious activities. So melhan naman na di sila kagawas na. Kay dili sila authorized na. Authentication protocols. So authenticate, encryption nila ang mga data or network. So conclusion of my report. IP spoofing is a serious cybersecurity threat. Attackers hide their identity by faking IP addresses. Anyone can be targeted. Protecting yourself is crucial. Firewalls and antivirus software are your friends. Be cautious of suspicious emails or messages. If attacked, act quickly, investigate the breach, learn from the incident to improve future security, stay vigilant. Cyber threats are always evolving. Remember, in the digital world, your security is in your hands. Stay informed, stay cautious, and stay safe.